Speed pass. The C-17 is capable of accelerating to over 640 kilometers per hour, demonstrated by the extremely powerful engines of this magnificent jet. Please notice how quiet the aircraft was crossing show center. This gives the operators a tactical advantage while flying low over hostile territory and allows for quiet operations at airfields near heavily populated cities. The crew for today's demonstration are all highly qualified instructor pilots with extensive combat and humanitarian experience required at austere dirt airstrips. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your cameras ready, as this will be the best opportunity to capture the experience of this amazing, state-of-the-art, all-encompassing tactical C-17. C-17 will now set up for an orbit over the airfield, demonstrating its ability to fly at slow speeds and showcase its advanced aerodynamic design. This reliable airlifter combined complement required to operate a C-17 is merely 2 pilots and 1 loadmaster. As the aircraft approaches from your right, please notice the upturned wing tips. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel efficiency. To put the aircraft's overall size into perspective, those wings are nearly 3 meters tall. Is now setting up to perform a maximum angle climb, demonstrating its impressive power and the ability to depart an airport where enemy resistance may be expected or hazardous terrain may exist. With a departure climb angle of over 30 degrees nose up, the aircraft can reach an impressive altitude within limited distance. On a regular basis, as they provide a highly responsive and